Well, hello, this is the Linleys Garden Railway. Hi, I'm Warren Brand and welcome to another Linleys video. Well, if you saw the last episode in this sort of developing series, you know that I'm working on the extension sort of branch line for the live steam platform here in this area. And you'll have seen that I managed to reuse some of the steelwork from the up and down main line here for the high level section here. Yeah, so the next bit of work I'm going to do is grade the branch line junction bits to cross the bridge there, the new bridge, and to set the height and position of this piece of track section here. Potentially join in the steel work and at least get the height and gradient correct further down, and also cut a bit of timber work and get some more track bed woodwork down so that it looks a bit more complete as well. In addition, I'd like to plan the positions of some columns to support the track bed, the high level track bed here. And the idea is I'm going to use some plastic, old bits of plastic pipe. I think they must be 120, 150 mil diameter plastic pipe, which I'll cut so that I can concrete in the middle and then separate as a sort of a casting mould and plan the first few. I probably won't get them cast in today, but certainly plan the first couple. Unfortunately, I found a broken weld. In fact, it isn't even welded at all. I must have left it for some flexibility. So I'm going to get that welded up. My old electric arc welder is well past its prime. I haven't used it this year. It may not even work. I can imagine it's going to die very, very soon. It just shorts out inside quite quickly these days. I get about 10, 20 welds and then it just cuts out for an hour or two. Let's see if I can get one done here at least anyway. Well, it's all plugged in. Let's have a go. See if it works. Yes, it does. That's good. Right, okay, let's just do this one weld, see if I can get that one done. Well, nice. That looks as if it's succeeded okay. Got a few more joints to do, but for the moment I can crack on with the next bit. Well, I was going to do another couple of welded joints. However, I'm going to leave my old tired welder to cool down. One jointed enough, I think, is enough for it at the moment. I'm going to cut some pieces of plank to slot in and form the track bed, just so that it looks a bit more complete. Bit of a jungle going on here. I don't know if you can see me. So this really is very straightforward. All I'm going to do is use this some sections of 6-inch gravel boards. I say gravel boards, they're just kind of fence gravel boards, rough sawn. I treated, but I paint them as well. Mark them in situ. I could measure each time. There is a little bit of variation. All I do is put in place, mark, use a board as a square because I'm lazy, cut and put in place. And it really is as easy as that. It's a bit repetitive, but gets the job done, and there's a feel-good factor when you see some track bed down. I still need to do the painting, of course. Okay, well, I've made a start with the timber work track bed at the moment. I'm going to leave that, pause that. My old welder, I think, has cooled down a bit, so I'm going to crack on with another couple of welds along here. Now, this junction needs a bit more stability and a bit more sort of track steel work putting in, track bed steel work putting in. When I was setting this out about this time last year, I didn't completely sort out the alignment, so I didn't want to tie everything down, but I think I got that pretty well sorted. So just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 tack welds in there to get this steel work tied in. Very good, happy, making progress. Next I'm going to do a little bit of tidying up, cut off this redundant end piece here, just trim up this sort of junction piece of steel work here, pin the middle V down, crack on with a bit more wood. Excellent. This really is now coming together. I am pleased. Just going to trim off that little sharp bit there, more tack welds there, and then more wood, yes. Nice. I've done a bit of tidying up of these welds as well, just to take off the bumpy bits. I'm not sure that's a technical term, and to make sure that they're good sound joints, and indeed they are. So I'm pleased with the old electric arc welder. Hopefully it'll do another half a dozen welds today. Yes, now I'm going to do some more woodwork. With curved track bed, clearly parallel bits of wood will go in a straight line. So what I need to do is, probably not all of the edges I found before, but some of them I just taper back the sides a little bit, just cut off about, or depending on the curvature of course, but I have a fairly standard curvature of just short of 8 foot. I take off about 8 millimeters off each side. I've done enough for today. I am really pleased. It's coming together nicely. Very rough and ready here, but I've got the basic level right, I think. I've done some basic checking and using blocks just to get the kind of rough alignment and height. And the wooden track bed is down nicely at this end. I got a bit of track down just to make it look pretty. Obviously I need to lift all the wood, paint the wood, put it all back down again. And then the track, that'll be fairly straightforward. Got the concrete columns to put in. I've just got those in just to kind of get some basics. I don't know how far apart to put them. 1.5 meters. Could I get to 2 meters? I don't want too many. That spacing's about 1.5 meters maybe. Probably about right. Nice. Well, the light's going. There's not much left of the sun above the rooftops next door. So I think I'll finish packing up. Thank you for watching this time. There's more to do. Until the next time, from the Garden Railway here, thanks for watching and bye for now.